It's really hard to find free AI video generation tools these days. AI video models are improving day by day, but at the same time, they're becoming more paid and much harder to access for free. But I found a platform that, with the right settings, lets you generate images and videos completely free with no limitations, and video clips up to 20 seconds long. It also includes a huge library of additional AI tools that you can use completely free to create almost anything you need. So, without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. First, head over to the website using the link I've left in the description below and sign in with your Google account. Now you're ready to get started. Now, once you're in, you'll notice 50 credits at the bottom of the screen. Don't worry about those for this workflow, they honestly don't matter. As long as you have the correct model selected, you can generate unlimited content without ever touching those credits. So let's walk through exactly how to use this platform the right way. In the menu on the left, you'll find a large collection of AI tools. This video will cover the best ones in just a moment. Let's start with the first one, text to image. Open the text to image tool and paste your prompt into the input box. Next, choose your preferred aspect ratio. I'm using a horizontal image for this example. Now here's an important part selecting the model. Since we want unlimited image generations, make sure to keep this specific model selected right here. After that, turn on the Enhance option. This is a great little feature. It automatically rewrites your prompt behind the scenes to something the model understands even better, which usually gives you a noticeably improved result. Once that's done, just hit Generate. The platform creates one image at a time for free, but because there are no generation limits, a poor result doesn't cost you anything. Simply generate again until you get an image you're happy with and download your favorite one. And that's really it. Want to create another image? Just repeat the exact same process, the only thing you're changing is the prompt. Once your images are ready, let's turn them into videos. Now, to generate the videos, we can't use the text-to-video feature, since that one isn't available for free. But that's not a problem at all, because image-to-video gives us access to a free model that can generate clips up to 20 seconds long. Start by uploading your image, either from your computer or directly from the images you've already generated inside the platform. Next, add your prompt. I'd recommend starting with something simple, and make sure to enable Enhance. This feature rewrites your instructions into a format the video model understands more effectively, which often gives you much better results. For the aspect ratio, I'll leave it on auto, so the video matches the format of your original image. But if that doesn't suit what you're going for, feel free to select whichever aspect ratio you like. Now, when it comes to duration, here's something worth noting. Unlike a lot of other AI video tools out there, this platform actually lets you generate videos up to 20 seconds long. Once everything's set, go ahead and hit Generate. After a few moments, our video is ready. Let's check out the result. So how's the quality? As a free, unlimited AI video generator, I'd say the quality is genuinely solid for free users. Give it a try yourself and let me know your thoughts down in the comments. Alright, so those two tools I just showed you are, in my opinion, the most important ones for content creators. But apart from these, there are plenty of other useful tools on this platform worth exploring. And likewise, there are also tools that are perfectly suited if you're running a business. So make sure to go through and try out every single one of them. You might find something that fits your workflow even better. Well, that's it for this video. Let's meet again in another one just like this. Have a great day, everyone, and I'll see you in the next video.